everyone, so today I have an exciting package. There was a claim for a Taeil doll on Twitter the other day, and it was a doll that I really wanted, but I forgot to join a group order for it. So I managed to join the claim, and I was able to claim 2 of them. Yeah, so I claimed 2 of the Taeil dolls. So I'm gonna unbox it now, and I will show you which doll it was. Oh my god! So this was the group order manager that had the extra dolls. And oh my god, he's so tiny. So his name is Moonbao. So it's a Taeil doll and it's a 15 cm, so he's like super tiny. And I managed to claim 2 of them just in case I wasn't. So my friend claimed one and I claimed one. So I have 2 of them here. But oh my god, he's so cute. It came like just right in time because his birthday was this past weekend. So yeah. I'm gonna dress him up now because he has a really cute outfit. Oh my god, he's so cute. He has a moon on his ear. How cute. It's a little back. He's so small. Oh my god. So these are the clothes that he comes with. If you are a Moonie, you would kind of recognize where this shirt is from. So I'm gonna put him in the clothes. So here's the shirt on him. Now I'm put on his pants. So here are his pants. And this is like the biggest accessory that is for this doll. God, how am I supposed to put this on? So here is the bow accessory. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. So this is styled after one of Taeil's old birthday photos. I'll include a photo next to it to show you guys what it looks like. But oh my god, it's so cute. He is so cute. I can't believe it. Wait. Yeah, oh my god. So yeah, so that was all for this little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. I ordered another Taeil doll from Moonbao, but that's not gonna come anytime soon. So I'm really happy to have this one with me right now. He is so cute and he's so tiny, like oh my god. So I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you next time.